Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic, which skills you should learn nowadays and why. In this fast-paced world, staying ahead and acquiring valuable skills can make a significant difference in your personal and professional life. So, let's dive in and explore some of the top skills you should consider learning today. 1. Coding. In today's digital age, coding has become an invaluable skill. It empowers you to create websites, develop software, and even build mobile applications. Whether you're interested in web development, artificial intelligence, or data science, learning how to code opens up a world of opportunities. 2. Graphic design. With the rise of social media and online marketing, graphic design skills are highly sought after. Being able to create visually appealing content, logos, and branding materials can give you an edge in various industries. Plus, it's a skill that allows for creativity and self-expression. 3. Data analysis. In the era of big data, being able to interpret and analyze data is crucial. Companies are constantly seeking individuals who can extract valuable insights from complex datasets. Learning data analysis tools and techniques can open doors in fields like marketing, finance, and technology. 4. Public speaking. Effective communication is an essential skill in any profession. Public speaking helps you convey ideas clearly, persuasively, and with confidence. Whether you're presenting in boardrooms, delivering pitches, or even networking at events, being an articulate speaker will give you a competitive advantage. 5. Language learning. As our world becomes more interconnected, knowing multiple languages can greatly enhance your global prospects. Learning a new language opens doors to new cultures, improves your cognitive abilities, and enhances your employability in international markets. 6. Entrepreneurship. In an age of innovation and startups, having an entrepreneurial mindset is invaluable. Learning the principles of entrepreneurship equips you with the skills to identify opportunities, take calculated risks, and transform ideas into successful ventures.
O projeto Juntos Educar, que premia todas as áreas da educação.
Remember, the skills I mentioned are just a starting point. It's essential to identify your passions, interests, and long-term goals when choosing which skills to learn. Additionally, acquiring soft skills such as leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving should always be on your radar, as they complement any area of expertise. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful in guiding your skill development journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this.